afternoon, dear students. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to another interesting class of English. Today, we are going to learn about Lesson 3, Tenali Raman Draws a Picture. But before that, I would like to ask you few questions. You must have heard or read many stories from your grandparents, from your parents, isn't it? Yes. Have you heard or read about Tenali Raman? Do you know who was he? Okay, let me answer. Tenali Raman was a poet, a scholar, and he was famous for his intelligence. He lived in a village called Tenali and his name was Raman. So people lovingly called him Tenali Raman. He was a jewel of Krishna Dev Raya's court. He was a problem solver. Whenever a problem rises in the court of King Devraja, he solved it with his skills. Children, there are also cartoon shows made on his name. His full name was Ramakrishnan. So now, let's begin with the lesson. Dear students, basically this lesson is a skit. A skit means a drama. Children, there are three characters in the lesson. That is Tenali Raman, a king, and a messenger. Messenger means a person who conveys the messages. Children, this lesson is a conversation between Tenali Raman, the king, and his messenger. Now, what do you mean by conversation? A conversation means a talk between two or more people. For example, when you meet any of your friend, you say, "Hi, how are you?" And your friend replies, "I am good, how about you?" And so on. So children, here you see Tenali Raman standing in front of a drawing board. And just then, a messenger enters. Now children, who is a messenger? Yes, as told you before, a messenger is a person who carries a message from one person to another. For example, suppose I am teaching in a class and a helper enters and says that I am called by the principal. So here children, the helper becomes a messenger. So now let's go on. Good afternoon, sir. The king wants you. Here, wants you means wishes to meet you. Shh! Don't disturb me. I am busy. Disturb means to interrupt what someone is doing. Here, the messenger tells Raman that the king wants to meet up. But Raman tells the messenger that he won't be able to meet him as he is busy. And so the messenger goes away. Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing? Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture. Children, Majesty means the way to address the king with lot of respect. As the messenger conveyed the message to the king thought of going and meeting Raman himself to find out what was keeping him busy. He asked Raman, what is he doing? To this Raman replied that he was drawing a picture. I see. We would love to or like to see the picture. Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture. Now here children, the king asked Raman to show what he had drawn. So Raman takes out the drawing board and shows him the picture. Is this a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain. I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. Meaning of loads means lots. This means as Raman shows a blank drawing to the king was quite taken aback. He couldn't understand and see any picture on the drawing board. So he told Raman to please explain him that what is the meaning of all this. Now Raman coolly replies that he was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. Loads of grass? I can't see any grass here. Ha! That's because the cow ate it up. Again the king was so puzzled and surprised that he couldn't see any grass and tells Raman that he couldn't find any grass there. Raman replies to the king saying that he couldn't see any grass because the cow already ate all the grass. And where's the cow? After eating up all the grass, the cow walked away. Your Majesty. Ha ha ha! Raman, you always make me laugh. Listening to Raman's reply, King was even more shocked as he could not see anything on the board. So he asked Raman why he couldn't see the cow. To this Raman replies that the cow had finished eating up all the grass and there was no point in waiting there, so the cow walked away. And now children, listening to Raman's explanation about the cow and the grass on his empty drawing board, the king couldn't help laughing and told Raman that he always makes him laugh with his witty and smart replies. So children, what did you learn from this lesson? That Tenali Raman did not draw anything on that board. He was just cracking a joke and making the king laugh. Now let us read the lesson. Pay attention here. Let us start reading the lesson. Page number 4, lesson number 3. Tenali Raman draws a picture. Tenali Raman is standing in front of a drawing board. Messenger, good afternoon, sir. The king wants you. Raman, shh, don't disturb me. I am busy. Messenger goes away. King walks in. Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing? Raman, Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture. King, I see. We would like to see the picture. Raman, here, Your Majesty, this is my picture. King, is this a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain. Raman, I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. King, loads of grass? I can't see any grass here. Raman, ha, that's because the cow ate it up. King, and where's the cow? Raman, after eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty. King, ha ha ha. Raman, you always make me laugh. So children, in the same way, you have to practice reading at least 2 times at home. Okay children? Thank you and have a great day ahead.